Welcome back, you beautiful people. It is me, Dr. Fairs, and it is another episode of Medshield Medical Connect show. Okay, I kind of know technical things when it comes to medical problems or helping people, but when it comes to operations and systems, I might hit a blank, which is why we have the Chief Operations Officer at Medshield Medical Scheme helping us today. Say hello to Angela Blackburn.
As a doctor, I've always believed that good health isn't just about treating illness. It's about empowering people to live healthier, fuller lives. And through Medshield Connect, we're doing just that. This podcast helps you connect the dots between fitness, nutrition, mental well-being, and medical breakthroughs. We sit down with industry experts, thought leaders, and real people to unpack the many facets of health, giving you the knowledge and tools to make informed choices. Brought to you by Medshield, your trusted medical aid partner for life.
Thank you so much for sitting down with me, Angela.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me today.
Now, I'm a simple man, just a doctor who wants to do good things in life, but I am very interested to know kind of the internal workings, especially when it comes to operations. So, could you tell me what is the role of the operations team within Medshield, and how do they ensure that the scheme remains member-centered?
Sure. Thank you, Dr. Fairs. The operations team at Medshield is the backbone of our service delivery, ensuring seamless access to quality healthcare for our members. We manage onboarding, contribution collection, query management. We do claims processing, provider networks, and we also have a member support channel. And that's really to deliver on our promise to being a partner for life with our stakeholders. As the COO, I believe a member centric approach by integrating innovative solutions, which offers virtual consultations, self-service tools for our members to provide the convenience. Our team fosters mutual respect, accountability, transparency in all the interactions, ensuring that members and stakeholders feel supported. By continuously enhancing operational efficiency, we reinforce Metro's commitment, and that's really around affordable, accessible, and trusted care, making us more than a medical aid, but a lifelong partner
Oh, and that is the phrase, a partner for
for
life.
life.
I really can see that you have a strong grip when it comes to the operations. And I think that comes down to all the nitty gritty parts that really put it all together. But operations do relate to customer satisfaction. And this also branches out when we're talking about member engagement and, of course, service delivery. Could you tell me how Medshield has really simplified the self service channels and still been able to keep that human connection that everybody loves?
Yes, sure. At Medshield, we have simplified the member access through digital self-service channels like the Medshield mobile app for the members. We have a WhatsApp channel and we also have an RVR. And basically, these systems are allowing members to check benefits, submit claims, request hospital authorizations, and access membership 24/7, basically. These platforms are designed for ease and really to have the speed at the member, to empower the members to manage their healthcare conveniently. However, we maintain a human centered approach through our walk in centers. So we have a walk in center at our head office branch and 4 regional. And that's really to allow our members and brokers to have personalized face to face contact with agents, to support them and provide whatever information they require. We also have a contact center, and that allows our members and providers to contact, have the interactions, ensuring empathy and care is provided throughout those processes. And I see this as a digital blend of efficiency and human connection. And it reflects our partner for life commitment, balancing accessibility as well as trust.
Clearly, with all of that, it really is about making sure that the customer is at the center of everything. And I love that the operations are optimizing for that. Could you tell me a bit more as to how Medshield ensures that there's kind of timely benefits that are claimed, as well as just letting me know how they minimize rejections? Because I know people really are stressed when it comes to medical schemes.
Some really good questions, Dr. Fairs. So at Medshield, I mean, it's really hugely important around timely and accurate claims processing, as this really supports our member-centric servicing model. Our operations team leverages off our advanced systems to streamline claims workflows, ensuring that there are prompt adjudication and payments. And this is backed by our global credit rating of an AA minus, which basically means that we are reliable for claim settlements. Medshield prides itself on our 3 payment runs per week. Over and above that, we partner with top healthcare providers to ensure smooth benefit access and to minimize any discrepancies. To reduce rejections, basically, we proactively educate our members. I think that's really important. So we like to get information out to ensure that the members understand their option plans that they've selected and what documentations we would require. And this is available through our member mobile app. Our how-to guides are all available on the WhatsApp channel. And we also have this through our contact center agents that can provide the information. We send out various communications throughout, and this is distributed. And you can also get it in our quarterly newsletter. So we have a wide variety of information that's available to members and providers. And then lastly, I'd say our robust provider network agreements also ensure claims align to the Medshield tariff. And really doing that is enhancing efficiencies where the member satisfaction is achieved and trusting us as partner for life, because as those claims are coming through and you don't see rejections and there's no discrepancies and we're paying effectively, members then trust us, So that's really what operations supports in terms of ensuring that our members are getting the benefits that they are paying for.
I love it because there's so many touch points from WhatsApp to the contact centers. There's just all of these options that allow you to feel like you have this autonomy. Really a partner. I know Medshield is ISO 9001 accredited. Why is that important?
Dr. Fairs, the ISO 9001 accreditation underscores Medshield's commitment to operational excellence and quality management. This quality management system ensures consistent, high standard processes across claims processing, member support, and service delivery.
Mm.
It drives continuous improvement, aligning our operations with international benchmarks for efficiency and reliability. For members, this basically relates to dependability, transparency, and accessible healthcare services, reinforcing our promise as Medshield to our members of quality care. As a partner for life, this accreditation validates our dedication to trust and accountability, ensuring every interaction meets the highest standards of customer satisfaction and operational integrity.
You've got to love international standards. Yeah. Now, if you consider the dynamic role of operations in a business like Medshield, I know it's got a lot of things going on, it's always trying to optimize, but what do you foresee as the big shift that will be happening in the market with regards to operations?
So, Dr. Fairs, the healthcare landscape is rapidly evolving. The Medshield operation team is quite poised to adapt. We foresee a greater integration of technology, such as AI-driven claims processing and predictive analytics, to ensure efficiency and personalized member experiences. Expanding our digital healthcare ecosystem will further enable virtual care and telehealth, making healthcare more accessible to our members. We also anticipate stronger partnerships with innovative providers, blending convenience with clinical excellence. These shifts will strengthen our member centric operations, driving service excellence as a competitive advantage and ensuring that Metro remains a forward thinking partner for life, delivering trusted and quality care in a dynamic environment.
Angela, listen, I am still kind of needing a bit more knowledge around operations, but the way that you've delivered it to me, I can at least understand that we are meeting those international standards and we're always trying to push the envelope. And to be honest with you, that's what you want from anybody who's giving you a service. And as you can see, Medshield is still hitting that mark. So just rest assured that the operations are operating.
Your trusted partner for life since 1968.